I was asked a question recently from a person. They were wondering, how do I analyze my emotional responses without experiencing shame? And I told him, you probably can't. Especially in the beginning, we have these secondary emotions to what we were analyzing, whether it was a thought of an emotion or behavior. And if shame's a big one for you, you're probably going to experience it as you're going through the healing process. But it's okay. It's not going to hurt you. Just be aware of what's going on. Brene Brown talks about you kind of have to walk through shame. When I was in one of my first group programs, we did a module on shame. And the teacher or lead therapist, Meg, had us write down everything we were ashamed about. And back then I was kind of a star student, so she asked, hey, Kevin, would you mind reading your shame list to everybody in the class? And inside I'm thinking, well, hell no, I don't want to do that. But externally I said, sure, I'll read it. Yeah. And so I began to read this list of everything I was ashamed about. And as I went through it, I began feeling smaller and smaller. The pressure, the external pressure felt like it was just, I was at 2 million feet below sea level. And then somebody walks into the room and interrupts and says, Kevin, can you start over? And again, I'm thinking, oh, hell no. But I did. And the one thing I noticed is as I was going through this list, while I still felt the shame, it wasn't as intense. That it was a little easier to get through, that the pressure seemed a little bit less. And that was kind of a freeing moment. I kind of understood what Brene Brown was saying. You've got to kind of walk through it. And so it's like after that, I felt like I was reading my shame list to everybody. The girl at the deli counter was hearing what I was ashamed about. So yeah, you can't prevent any emotion from happening. But what you can do is start to build new belief systems. And when you allow yourself to walk through shame, especially, you'll find that it's not as powerful. And each time it'll become a little less powerful until it's really not there, until you're doing frickin' videos on Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, and if you want to read my book, you can download it for free. If you're on Facebook or Instagram right now, you can just comment book and we'll send you a link. And if you're watching anywhere else, you can just go to rebuildstronger.com and you'll see the links. And anyways, I'll see you next time.